क्या हर कोई काउंसलर बन सकता है? क्या हम सबको डिप्रेशन से बचा सकते हैं? क्या हम खुद ही काउंसलिंग कर सकते हैं?
The nation wants to know, are you being set up? Tell me. You need to answer me. You need to answer me. You cannot, no, you cannot get away with it now. जवाब क्यों नहीं दे पा रही मुझे बताइए. Can you not hear me? Yes. Can you not hear me? You can absolutely hear me because people like you need to be completely exposed. Everybody is observing you right now. I am asking you. You answer me. You can hear me loud and clear.
इसका आंसर है गाइस
नहीं।
देखो भाई, जैसे हर कोई कॉमेडियन नहीं बन सकता, हर कोई शायर नहीं बन सकता, हर कोई प्रेसिडेंट नहीं बन सकता.
Swami Vivekananda, Sachin Tendulkar to Virat Kohli.
But there is something we can do on an individual level. So if you want to know more, stick around. So the first thing you can do is that to know about your own mental health. If you don't know what is your own mental health and what mental health means, you won't be able to help others. Okay, and if you want to know about it, you need to go from really trusted sources like the APA, which is the American Psychological Association. So make sure you get your knowledge from very trusted sources, and once you know it, try to find out if you do have it. Do you have some of the signs or symptoms, because we ourselves might have some kind of mental illness. Secondly, what you can do is that to know and be aware about the mental health of the people who are around you. Mostly what happens is that we are so caught up in our own world that we kind of we really don't want to neglect, but indirectly we neglect the people who are around us, our partners, our family members, even our siblings. So make sure that you even spend a little 10 minutes talking to them and knowing what's going on with them. And make sure you don't take a large number. Make sure you take a like small number, kind of like your parents or only your siblings and only your close friend. Because get practical, you can't keep in check each and every person. Even small children can go to depression because the millennials have the situations, and we are the Gen Z. We have to make mental health as common and as usual as a physical health, and make sure that you educate them about mental health and seeking for mental health is as common as seeking for physical health. So thirdly, if you think someone from your circle, like it is from a family or friends or sibling, is suffering from mental illness, make sure you get it checked from a counselor, a therapist, because you aren't or you won't going to be totally sure because you are not fully educated in that. So make sure you get it checked with a counselor, and if they need more help, make sure you go to a counselor or a psychiatrist. So if you like whatever I said, make sure you drop me one of these. So fourthly, don't overthink about these symptoms. What happens that you read something from the internet and you start overthinking about it, and you think, oh my god, even I have those kind of symptoms. Oh, maybe I'm going from depression. You may not, but make sure you need to get it checked from a counselor. Don't overthink about it and stop overthinking, and make sure you subscribe the channel. Stop overthinking about it and subscribe the channel. And the fifth and the most important point is that we need to eradicate the stigma around mental health. Some point in time, we all are going to suffer from some kind of mental illness, and we need to, embrace it because it's a part of life. It's not something to be ashamed of. And especially we need to educate and spread this this information and this wisdom to as many as people as possible, because we are the new generation. We know mental health and mental issue and depression and anxiety and panic attacks and all these things are the real thing. But if we go to talk to our parents, they think it's all woo woo. This new generation can't take all this stuff because they are millennials and they don't get it. But we know ourselves that anxiety is a real thing, depression is a real thing. And the movie, spread the information and this kind of knowledge to people. the more common it is gonna get, and people are going to accept it. So make sure you also accept it. It's not a stigma. And make sure if you are having some kind of problem, you seek help, and getting help if you need it, so be open about mental health. And so if you want to know more about mental health or depression, make sure you let me know in the comment section, so I can make a elaborate video on it. And until then, man, relax. We all are in this together, and we will make it through. Until the next episode, see you. Shabakir. Bye bye.